In this video, I'll guide you through how to mark a sales invoice as paid in Zoho Books. We'll walk through the exact clicks you need to make, and I'll add some context along the way so you understand what each step is doing and why it matters for your records. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and go to books.zoho.com. This is the main sign-in page for Zoho Books. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your usual sign-in details and access your organization. Once you're in, you'll land on the Zoho Books dashboard where you can see an overview of your finances. From the dashboard, look over to the main menu, usually on the left-hand side. Today, we're focusing on your sales transactions, so next click on the Sales section. This is where Zoho Books keeps everything related to money coming into your business, including estimates, recurring invoices, and, of course, invoices. After opening the Sales section, the next step is to click on Invoices. This will bring up a list of all your invoices, including drafts, sent invoices, overdue invoices, and ones that may already be paid. Take a moment here to make sure you're looking at the correct tab or filter so you can quickly find the invoice you want to update. Now find the specific invoice you want to mark as paid. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar or filters if you have a lot of invoices. Once you've located the right one, click on that invoice. This opens up the detailed view where you can see the invoice date, customer details, line items, taxes, and totals. With the invoice open, look for the option that says Record Payment. This button is usually positioned near the top of the invoice page. Go ahead and click Record Payment. This tells Zoho Books that you're about to log a payment you've received for this particular invoice. After clicking that, Zoho Books will typically show you a payment recording form or a confirmation, depending on your setup. You may see fields like the payment date, the amount received, and the payment method. Even if your goal is simply to mark the invoice as paid, it's good practice to make sure these details reflect what actually happened, such as when and how the customer paid you. Once again, click Record Payment to confirm that you're saving this payment against the invoice. This second confirmation ensures that Zoho Books applies the payment correctly and updates the invoice balance accordingly. When this is done, the invoice status should change from something like unpaid or partially paid to paid, or it will be ready for that final status update. To complete the process, look for the option that says Save as Paid and click it. This final action locks in the payment information you just recorded and officially marks the invoice as paid in your Zoho Books account. From this point on, your reports and customer statements will treat this invoice as settled. That's all there is to it. By going to bookszoho.com, opening the sales section, choosing invoices, selecting the right invoice, recording the payment, and saving it as paid, you keep your books accurate and up to date. This simple routine helps you stay on top of your cash flow and keeps your records clean for reporting and tax time.